In Forchheim, tradition meets innovation. At the City Hall, a brand new interactive multi-touch installation by EYEFACTIVE transforms how citizens and visitors explore their city, offering a true smart city experience at their fingertips. It all begins at the main menu, a clear overview of topics that matter to citizens. With Matrix View, content tiles guide users to culture, education, construction projects, and events. One Touch opens detailed windows with multimedia information. The click-through framework ensures seamless navigation, connecting all apps and content in one consistent user journey. The web browser app integrates Forchheim's full website, including its interactive digital twin of the city. Here, users can zoom, pan, and explore a detailed 3D map with hotspots, landmarks, and live information. An advanced tool that brings the smart city vision to life. Adding a tactile dimension, EYEFACTIVE's object recognition technology allows users to place physical objects on the table, which are being recognized by the software. Each marker reveals context-specific content, turning information access into an engaging, memorable interaction. The result is a citizen-focused smart city solution. Forchheim's residents now explore cultural highlights, event calendars, and urban planning projects in a clear, modern, and interactive way. Complex topics like construction phases or educational opportunities become simple and engaging. Together with EYEFACTIVE, Forchheim has set a new benchmark for smart city communication. An interactive platform that connects people with their city, blending technology, transparency, and innovation. Find more information in the video description and feel free to leave us a like and comment down below.